This wildebeest is not lunch. Trapped by a pack of lions, it does the unthinkable, jumps over them, and dashes into the dense jungle. The chase begins. A lioness locks onto the wildebeest and quickly closes the gap. In a short while, the lioness has the wildebeest on the ground and grabs its throat with her mouth. But the wildebeest doesn't struggle, but calms down, lying motionless. The harder it struggles, the tighter the lioness holds on, so it can save energy. Suddenly, it jumps up from the ground with amazing force. The panicked lioness grabs the wildebeest's sharp horns and holds it down with her own weight. But she's no match. Driven by pure survival instinct, the wildebeest pins the lioness to the ground and struggles frantically. The desperate lioness refuses to let go. But then the rules of the game change. The wildebeest moves the fight under the dense bushes and chases the lioness away with branches. The plan works. The lioness is so frightened that she finally lets go and runs away.
Oh. Wow! Wow!
Maybe. We're gonna get loose there. That leopard is locked on now. See the warthogs?
Behind them.
Oh my god!